Praying for the guys who received this token of love. Please give a round of applause for them. Next, I would like to request Carmelita and the guys to receive this token of love. After this, I would like to call out Naomi on the dance. Please give a round of applause for Naomi. Thank you, Vinay, for your kind presence. Now, students, behold, it's the time for excitement. So please get ready.